In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a counting numbers effect in CapCut PC. If you need a dynamic ticking stopwatch, a fast countdown timer, or an automated running number overlay for your video, this is one of the easiest ways to build that effect directly inside CapCut PC. The good news is that you do not need to create the animation manually from scratch. CapCut already includes text templates that can do most of the work for you, and all you need to do is find the right one, place it on your timeline, and customize it to fit your project. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and look for the main navigation bar. Click on the section labeled Text. This opens CapCut's text tools. Once you are there, look just below for the sub-tab called Text Templates and click that as well. This will load the cloud library of animated typography into the sidebar, where you can browse through ready-made text effects. This is where CapCut stores many of its animated number and timer styles, so this is the key starting point. Next, go to the search box near the top of that sidebar. Click into the field and type a keyword such as count or timer, then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will show a grid of matching text template results. Take a moment to scroll through the animated preview thumbnails and look for a counting numbers style that fits the tone of your video. Some options may feel more modern, while others may resemble a stopwatch or countdown display, so choose the one that matches your project best. Once you've found the template you want, click and hold that template card, drag it down to your timeline, and drop it onto an open track above your video clip. Placing it above the footage ensures it appears as an overlay. If you want the counting effect to move faster or slower, adjust the duration by dragging the right edge of the purple text block left or right. Shorter duration usually makes the animation feel quicker, while a longer duration gives the effect more time to play. After that, move to the top right side of the screen and open the settings under the Text tab and the Template section. Here you can edit the text labels, change the font color, and scale the size of the numbers box. You can also reposition the overlay so it sits cleanly anywhere on your canvas. With just a few quick adjustments, your counting numbers effect is ready to go in CapCut PC.